Am I the only one who didn't know that plant-forward diets are taking over 2024? Let's dive in. Leading the charge are the Mediterranean, DASH, and flexitarian diets. These plans emphasize whole foods, lean proteins, and healthy fats while cutting down on processed junk. Forbes and Fortune agree, these diets aren't just about shedding pounds. They focus on overall well-being, offering benefits like reduced disease risk and boosted brain function. And get this, veganism even made it into the top 10. That's right, folks, plant-based eating is going mainstream. Experts love these diets for their nutritional balance and sustainability. Plus, with more plant-based options than ever, it's easier to make the switch. This trend marks a shift towards holistic and sustainable health. So, if you're looking to revamp your diet, why not go plant-forward? Remember, consult a healthcare professional before making big changes and incorporate the 3-6-9 manifestation method found in previous videos. And embrace the future of eating. It's green, and it's here to stay. Want more? Check out the full rankings for a deep dive in the video description. Let's make 2024 the year of plant-forward living.